What you are about to see is Hummingbird Hawkeye moth, which I saw accidentally when I was roaming around my home. This magnificent creature was named by the father of classification, Carl Linnaeus, in 1865, in his 10th edition of Systema Naturae. This creature is a member of phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Leptoptera, family Spingley, and genus Macroglossum, and its binomial name is Macroglossum stellatrum. The interesting thing about this creature is that the hummingbird hawkeye moth is distributed throughout the northern world from Portugal to Japan, but it breeds mainly in warmer climates.